Hi, I'm Kathy Mathias, and I'm 81 years old. I've been having a lot of trouble with my knees for a while now, and I was able to get the shots to put off having the surgery done for a while, then reached the point where I had to have the surgery. Everything at the office, all of the personnel that I've encountered, as well as the doctor, gave me the confidence to go ahead and have this done. The experience at the hospital was also just A1. All of the people there were super. I walked out after the outpatient surgery. The following day wasn't so fun with all of the serious medication wore off, but I've been going to physical therapy, and it turns out I'm steadily improving and getting mobility back and having strength and better balance. I would recommend this facility to anybody